County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Hoyt, or 28 miles southwest of Fort Morgan, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. County in northeastern Colorado until 9:45 p.m.
We're going to say,
include Leader and Hoyt.
ready? Go.
It's time to mark, and you win Jurassic Fireworks.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded
Floor of a building. Do not drive your vehicle.
It's only a couple.
Get to do programming like
The gift for every gallon of get food.
What
It's less 6 months in
These guys.
Alright, now the AM stations are working.
But the marks is
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Elbert County until 9:45 p.m. At 9:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Kiowa, or 31 miles west of Lemon, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has source, radar indicated. Damage to roof,
William
siding, and trees.
the timeshare.
People and animals outdoors will be injured.
attacks.
Hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Elbert County. For your protection, move to an exterior room on the
Another
roof floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm.
Jesus didn't really rise from the
Is always
little